What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can force restart and reboot your Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to show you how you can force restart and reboot your Samsung Galaxy S25, so that in the event that your phone is freezing up, maybe it's starting to get stuck on apps, maybe it doesn't want to function properly, and you want to perform a quick restart or reboot, this might help your phone unfreeze so that it can start working normally again. Okay, so how we do this is we're going to press volume down and the power lock button. We're going to have to press them both at the exact same time until the phone screen blacks out. Once it does, you release, give it some time, and the phone will automatically reboot by itself. Okay, so let's say that we are stuck on an app, for example. All right, let's go ahead and do it. So volume down and power lock button at the same time. Continue to hold. You might see this power off menu appear. Just continue to hold until the phone turns off. There you go. Once it does, you can release, and just give it a few seconds and the phone will boot back on by itself. Okay, be patient. This could take a couple seconds, maybe a minute or two. And there you go. It finally is showing the Samsung logo, so that means it's booting back on. And there we go. The phone has booted on completely. So, yep, that is how you perform a force restart and reboot on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know. That's all for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. As always, peace.